as to time, maybe before the next fiscal year, what the law says is the governor can ask to run from the revenue account of the state an amount which shall not exceed the amount that is presented in the previous budget. Why am I saying this? Now, by virtue of the Supreme Court decision, there are two effects or two implications that all of us must carefully look at. One of which is that the state funds, which ordinarily the governor would have leveraged on by virtue of that section of 122, that's account by virtue of the announcement of the Supreme Court, is under key and lock. Now, it therefore makes it almost impossible for the state to access any fund from anywhere, apart from IGR, internal generated revenue, which might also be enough. And that is why I say state assembly, for me, we are in a haste. They should be patient. Because the Supreme Court only, if we look at the word of the Supreme Court, if all of us will be aware of the fact that the CTC is yet to get to anybody. But if you look at the pages of both on copy newspapers, what the Supreme Court said is that the governor, for the reason of disobedience of the order of the Federal High Court, because with the directive of the Federal High Court, which is to,
Mr. Choko,
yes.
can you take that again, please? We're getting some interferences. I don't know. You were saying something that with what the Supreme Court judgment said. If you can take that again.
Now, I said that if you can get me clearly, I said the Supreme Court decision is not as to time of presentation of budget, because the law is clear. Where there is a decision of a court which expresses a particular thing to be done, the person to whom that order of the court is to be applied on must and shall apply the order of the court to maybe in the manner where the order is made. It is not for anybody to choose or to decide in the manner and way that order to be performed. Now, the Supreme Court was not, if you look at the, even though, like I said before, all of at CTC of the judgment